In primetime news tonight, safety breaches uncovered following investigations into 2016 deadly plane crash in Greenwich Town, St. Andrew. More killings in St. James, and a National Security Minister tours police stations out west.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Milton Walker has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Some businessmen said they're finding it difficult to get US dollars, but the Bank of Jamaica says, we don't know about that. We'll tell you that story in the business day.
Okay, thank you, Milton. And Karen Madden will be here later on to give us the latest in sports, including what's happening at Champs.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we are asking, what are your predictions about who will win Boys and Girls Champs?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News returns after the break.